This place has been great for centuries. It has a hint of, it tastes like water. You know what I mean? Does that make sense?
Oh, this chicken is so good!
This is incredible! The smoky oak notes, the salt.
Dude, it's just ham, chill.
Yes, it is ham indeed. The best ham.
All right, guys, so I am trying the new double burger. The cheese is perfectly melted on this. I'm gonna give this a solid 8 out of 10.
Umami! 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 Umami!
This reduction has a playful note of authentic balsamic.
Sir, that's actually a cherry reduction.
Excuse me, I think I know what I'm talking about here. I'm the YouTuber, okay? Go back to the kitchen.
Now let's stuff our turkey. You have to get deep in there. Deep in there. Like this.